Good morning, class 9. We have already started statistics in our last class and you have learned how to find the mean of the given data. Okay, so today you will learn how to find the median. So we'll start from question number 5. Here the question is, find the median of the following data. So here from this given data you have to find the median. So to find the median, first you have to arrange the given data in ascending or descending order. So here I am arranging in ascending order, smaller to bigger number. Okay, then you have to count how many numbers are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So n is small n is equal to 9, which is odd. So for odd, median is n plus 1 by 2th term. So n is 9, 9 plus 1 by 2, which is 10 by 2. 10 by 2 is 5th term. So your 5th term is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is your 5th term. So answer is 16. Or if you forget formula, okay, you have option. What you will do is you will cancel first last, then second, second last. You have to cancel like this, then this will be the remainder, okay, remaining number. This is your median. Now next is question number 2. Here numbers are given, okay. First you arrange in the ascending order. Now count how many numbers are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So n is equal to 10, which is even. So for even, okay, formula is this one, n by 2th term plus n by 2 plus 1th term, whole divided by 2. So n is 10, 10 by 2th term plus 10 by 2 plus 1th term, whole divided by 2. So 10 by 2 is 5. So 10 by 2 is 5. 5 plus 1, 6. So 5th term plus 6th term divided by 2. So here you have to check 5th and 6th. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 5th term. This is 6th term. So 94 plus 100 divided by 2. So 194 by 2 is 97. So the median is 97. Now next, question number 7. The numbers 50, 42, 41, 35, 2x plus 10, 2x minus 8, 12, 11, 8, 6 are written in descending order. So these given data are given in descending order if their median is 25. If the median is 25, then what is the value of x? So here it is already arranged in descending order. Whether it is ascending or descending, formula will remain same, okay. So here n is equal to 10, even number, okay. So median is given 25. So when it is even, you have to do n by 2th term plus n by 2 plus 1th term. Here we have 10 terms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 by 2th term plus 10 by 2 plus 1th term. So 10 by 2 is 5th term plus 10 by 2 plus 1 is 6th term. So 5th term is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5th term, 6th term. So 5th term plus 6th term divided by 2 is equal to 25. 2x plus 2x, 4x. 10 minus 8, 2. So here you will have 4x plus 2 is equal to 50. So 4x is equal to 50 minus 2, which is 4x is equal to 48. So x is equal to 48 divided by 4. 4 12s are 48. So the value of x is 48. Now next, question number 8. Weight of 20 children in kg are given below. So here one table is given, okay. Your weight in kg and your number of children. So 40 kg. So 5 children have 14 kg weight. 8 children have 15 kg weight. 4 children have 16 kg. 2 have 17 kg and 1 have 18 kg weight. So from here you have to find the median. So to find the median, so 5 children have 14 kg. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 children have 14 kg weight. 15 kg 8 children have. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 16 kg 4 children. 1, 2, 3, 4. 17 kg 2 children. 1, 2. And 18 kg 1 child, 18. So here count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So n is 20, which is even. So this is formula for even. Then 20 by 2th term, n is 20, 20 by 2th term plus 20 by 2 plus 1th term whole divided by 2. So 10 term plus 11 term by 2. So 10 term is 15, 11th term is 15. So 15 plus 15, 30. 30 by 2 is 15. So from this exercise this much. Okay, now we will start. Now next we will start exercise 14b. Okay, we'll start from question number 6. So here the question is, for a particular year, the distribution of ages in year of primary school teacher in a district is given below. So here the age of a primary teachers are given. Okay, 50 to 20 years, 10 children, 10 teachers, 20 to 25, 30, 25 to 30, 50, 30 to 35, 50, 35 to 40, 30, 40 to 45, 6, 45 to 54. So from here you have to write the lower limit of the first class interval. So these are called class interval: first class interval, second class interval, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7. Okay, this is called lower limit, this is called upper limit, and range is 20 minus 5, or class size is 20 minus 15, 5. 25 minus 25. So here the range or class limit is 5. Okay, so here first question is, write the lower limit of the first class interval. This is first class interval and this is lower limit. So answer is 15. Then determine the class limit of the fourth class interval. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is your class limit, 30 to 35. 35. Next is find the class mark of the class 45 to 50. Class mark means mid value of 45 and 50. Okay, so to find the class mark mid value of 45 to 50, you have to add them, 45 and 50, then divide it by 2. So 95 by 2, 47.5. So 47.5 is the mid value of 45 and 50. Now next is determine the class size. Class size means upper limit minus lower limit. So any class interval you can take, 15 and 20. So here if you take 20 minus 15, 5. 25 minus 25. So here the class size is 5. Construct a cumulative frequency table. Now you have to construct cumulative frequency table. So you have to add this, write this one. Okay, then you have to add one more column here. Okay. So here this is your cumulative frequency table. Your age and number of teachers are given in question. So these two columns are already given. We have to find cumulative frequency. So to find cumulative frequency, this first 10 will remain 10 only. To find the second cumulative frequency, you have to add this 10 and 30. So 10 plus 30 is 40. So to get third one, 40 plus 50, 90. Then 90 plus 50, 140. 140 plus 30, 170. 170 plus 6, 176. 176 plus 4, 180. So if you add all, you will get your 180. So this is the process of finding cumulative frequency, and this table is called cumulative frequency table.